Hey guys, so I have this looking fidget spinner. So this is my first one. This is my second one. So and then you push it, it lights. Okay, let's see if I can do it doubled. Okay. Okay, hold on, be right back. I'm gonna spin it. Okay, watch it. That's really cool. Okay, let's stop it. Let me, it also change. See? Okay. Right there. Okay, ready? Set, go. Oh, shoot. Hold on. And watch. Whoa. Okay. Well, that did not go well. Okay. Now let's try the last one. Change it. Okay. This is really gonna be tricky this time. Now look. It's cool, huh? Hey, look at it go. Okay, it's slowing down. Okay, now stop. Alright then, that's it. Let me turn this thing off. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my two fidget spinners. Alright. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.